Hi there, people. This is a Iraq vacuum cleaner. I'm going to show you how to unwrap the vacuum and excuse me, vacuum in the dark too. Sorry, my mom's cooking in the background. It's really annoying. So plug it in. Sorry, that was the stool to reach for the reverse switch of the ceiling fan. I probably don't need that tall stool anymore because I've grown tall. Watch this. Put your foot on it. Put your foot on it and do this. There's that switch right here and turn it on. Wait, not yet. Need to get the wires out of the way. And then you turn. And then you turn it on. See right here, the vacuum, this leaf right here, just had to turn that off. And this is, see that grass, like that stick right there? Wait, what's that? Oh, never mind, that was just a silver piece left. So, let's find something that has dust on it. See that crumble? See if that'll get, wait, see right here, let's see that'll get sucked. That's weird, it won't get sucked. Yeah, it's gone. Also, I may come back with part 2. So, see you in part 2.